Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut for Gemini in your desktop, and you can access it simply. So first you are going to open your browser and access Gemini website and make sure the official one, and then you are going to click on the three dots here, and then you are going to choose cast, save and share, and here as you can see you will find install page as app, or you can just simply create shortcut, but this option is more better. You just select here, you name it as you want, then you just click install, and as you can see now we have Gemini as an application in your laptop. And let's do like this. So once you close the application and you are in the desktop, here as you can see you will find your application Google Gemini, and once you click on it you access it directly, no need to open any browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.